If ChatGPT hasn't been very helpful for you, you're probably not using it wrong. But you might be making a few common beginner mistakes. In this video, I'll show you 3 mistakes most people make and how to fix them with simple changes. The first mistake is being too vague. Many people type a single line into ChatGPT and expect a perfect answer. But ChatGPT works best when you give it context and a clear role. Instead of asking a short question, tell ChatGPT who it should act as and what kind of answer you want. When you do this, the response becomes more focused and useful. A little context makes a big difference. The second mistake is not asking for structure. Many people accept long paragraphs that are hard to read, but you can control how ChatGPT formats its answers. If you want clarity, ask for bullet points or headings. This instantly makes the response easier to scan and understand. Structured answers save time. ChatGPT works best as a conversation, not a one-time question. You can refine answers by asking follow-up questions. This helps you get clearer explanations without starting over. Think of ChatGPT as something you collaborate with. If you want simple AI workflows without confusion, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. New videos every week.